When we're talking about thinking children, we're talking about children who can communicate, who can innovate, who can really problem solve. It's easy to say that disposition is like that, and some children are more reflective and others are not. But I think classroom environment matters a lot. Why do some institutions or some programs, raise more reflective children, more thinking children versus others?
If someone is determined to improve their school and make it better, what would be your advice?
See, it's important to articulate what you're trying to change, why you're doing it, and standing by it. Whether it's with the teachers or with the parents. We notice that these children actually have a lot of potential and you need to put power in their hands. The children and the teachers start actually having more fun in school than they were doing in a traditional school. Once you create a thinking environment in the school just changes and doesn't want to go back to what it was.